Hello guys. In previous session we have seen what is package, what are the types of package and what are the contents of package. If you haven't seen the last session, please go back and check the concept of package and then come back to this video. In this session we are going to understand why we need a package. Packages are very important in Java because in every program we have to use packages, and when we are developing any software or a project we have to create packages, and therefore we must understand the concept of packages very well. In last session we have seen what is package, what it contains and what are the types of packages. We have seen built-in packages and user-defined packages, two types. In this session we will try to understand what are benefits of using packages. So let us see one by one what are benefits of packages, and let us try to understand each benefit in detail. So benefits of packages. First and most important benefit of package, that it holds all Java files. Okay, when we are compiling Java program, we are generating .class files. For each class we are creating in a program, there will be a separate .class file, and for each interface also there will be a separate .class file. We need a folder, we need a container in which we can hold these class files, and therefore the first and most important benefit of package is it holds Java files. We can also keep our .java programs inside package, but mainly .class files are stored in packages. Second benefit, we can arrange our files in a more systematic and professional manner. We can create a package, we can create sub packages inside it, and we can give different names for them, or we can just create categories for different .class files we are creating in your project, and we can arrange them in more systematic way. We can collect a group of .class files and we can put them together in a single package, or we can think in this way: the classes those are required to be used together, we can pack them in a single package, and this will be useful for programmer. Just import all classes from that package and use them. For example, you can see when we are using AWT package. Now AWT stands for Abstract Windows Toolkit. Now this is built-in package and it provides different GUI components. You can use text field, you can use buttons, you can use checkboxes, you can use radio buttons. Now these are different GUI controls, those are required to collect data from user by using a form. And when we are developing such kind of applications, we need to collect different types of information from user, and therefore we can keep these classes together in one package. So when you are importing an entire AWT package, all these classes will be available to your program and you can use them just by writing one import statement. And this is the benefit of keeping these class files together in one package. Or we can create multiple sub packages according to their use or according to their criteria. You can create different categories. One package may contain multiple sub package can also contain sub package, and we can put different .class files in those packages. So this is one of the important use of package. We can arrange our required .class files in systematic manner so that it will be very used to access them later on. Next benefit of using package is we can search these .class files or your interfaces rapidly. As we are arranging all .class files, classes, interfaces in more systematic way, it will be easy to import them, or it will be very easy to search them. Just by understanding what is the name of package, you can understand what it will contain as a class. Okay, what it will contain as an interface. So if you can take an example of built-in master package, the name is Java, which contains lot of sub packages. So Java contains one sub package called as applet, which contains applet related classes. It also contains one more package called as AWT, abstract windows toolkit, which contains lot of class files for accepting information from user. As I told you, text field, buttons, radio box, check boxes like input related classes are available in AWT package. Now it also contains a sub package known as an event, because if it is an event driven program, each component, for example, if you are using a button, there will be a button click event, and if you want to write code for it, we can use action listener, which is interface, and this interface is available in awt.event sub package. So your full path will be java.awt.event. So we are storing these classes in systematic manner, and that's why it will be very easy to search them. We have to learn these packages, and we have to once remember what each package contains, and then once we know it, it will be very easy for a programmer to search those classes, import those classes in a program, and use them as per requirement. So these are some examples of built-in packages. Here you can see Java is a master package which contains applet, AWT, IO, and so many other sub packages, and these sub packages contains class files, interface files, or even sub packages inside it. And because of this systematic arrangement, even though there are huge number of classes and interfaces available, we can remember them properly, and we can use them as per our convenience. So this is one of the important benefit of package. Because of the package, we can arrange them systematically, and it will reduce our search time. We can easily search required classes and interfaces. When we are developing any project, the package is a mean to distribute the application. Okay, what we are going to deliver to the client? We have to deliver a package. So when we are creating a project, lot of .class files are generated through the project. We can arrange them in different sub package, and we have to create one master package, and that package has to be distributed or has to be delivered to the client. So without package, it will be very difficult to deploy your application at client side. One more important thing, that mostly we are going to deploy jar files. Now jar stands for Java archives. Now Java archives is a compressed form of your .class files. Now by using package, we can keep .class files inside it. We can arrange a proper structure for them, and then we can use a archiving technique. We can generate a jar file for those packages. Now it will compress your files, but at the same time it will provide some additional functionalities. It will be easy for your client to run your application. So there are different types and ways to use jar files. That is a different part to discuss. But for the time being, we can understand, because of packages, it will be easy to generate jar files. It will be easy to compress your coding files, your .class files, and it will be a mean to distribute your software at client side. And the last benefit, you can say, the last benefit of package, that it saves a time of programmer. For example, if you are importing at the top of your program a particular class or a set of classes or a package and it's all class files, then you can use them directly. You don't need to give the full path. Now importing classes is not compulsory, but if you are not importing classes, you have to give every time full path, and it will be a time consuming for programmer. So if you are importing a class, or if you are importing a package and it's all classes, it will be easy to use them directly in your program, and ultimately it saves your coding time. Okay, and these are benefits of using packages. I hope all of you have understood how important the packages concept is. Now next part, how to create those packages. All of you are ready for developing your own classes? In next session, I will show practically how to create your own package. Now this is possible with the word package keyword, how to use a package keyword, how to use package names, what are the rules for the package names, and we have to create packages, how to create packages, how many .class files we can store in the package, what should be the type of class. All these questions we have to see in the next session when we are going to create our own package. So if you have got any value from this session, put it in comment. What are benefits of using packages? If you like this video, please comment on it and share this link with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe the channel and support me. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Happy learning.